as I am headed off to San Francisco this weekend for the JPMorgan Healthcare Conference. Now, I think that is going to be market moving one after another, and I intend to give you the scoop on so many of these companies, so please watch. Club members, tons of bulletins on the ones we have, by the way. With that in mind, what's the game plan for next week? Look, forget earnings for a minute. Let's talk about interviews. We hear the phrase jam-packed all the time, but I defy you to be more wall-to-wall than I'm going to be starting Monday. My wife's upset about it. It starts with Walgreens, where I'll sit down with the new CEO, Tim Wentworth, and talk about his strategy to return the luster. This once great institution that cut its dividend this week. Hey, last night, Lisa Gill, the outstanding healthcare analyst from JPMorgan, who hosts the conference, she said this stock could be big for this year, so I cannot wait to sit down with Tim. He's a smart fella. Then I'll have the first ever interview with Chris Bonner. He is the new CEO of Bristol Myers. Talk about his very aggressive year-end biotech takeover spree, among other issues. Chris has got a lot of plans about how to make it so that Bristol Myers grows very well for this decade. Hey, Jeff Martha's up next from Medtronic. We're going to discuss diagnostics and cardio. Then it's time to speak to Bob Bradway. I've spoken to him before, but not on air. He at Amgen. You can talk about everything from cardio and migraine to cancer and GLP-1 weight loss meds in a once-a-month pill form. Of course, these are just top line. We'll go in depth on multiple topics. This is just the stuff that's front and center. I'd love to have him on.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow at Jim Cramer on X. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. Hashtag #MadMentions. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.